Afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina, Happy Beach. We'll be looking at this little swarm and see if they got eggs today. See if that queen was mated. But it's marked down as 107, but 107 is. Why don't we just call it 07? This is 07. It's only got 4 frames in it. Take your feeder off here, or feeder rings. Whoops. See if we can see anything with my glasses on. Having a little situation with my legs again. Now this is just a foundation. They're working on one side, which was facing the inside. I don't know exactly what they're doing. Probably beach stuff. But that's them. How much? Bottom clean. And if we don't see a queen or see eggs, we will do something else. Probably mix them with another small hive. They got it. They got a queen somewhere. We have eggs. No, we don't know about the eggs. We got larvae and brood. And there's some eggs in there. This side here has the same thing. So they're doing okay. They got some brood, got some larvae, got some eggs. But this is a little queen that we just didn't know about from a swarm. This one here, they're working on the foundation. They're saying, Sam, we need some food. I know. Goldenrod is almost bloomed. I don't see no queen, but this one has some pollen. And a red queen right there. So I marked her, so I guess she's laying. We know she's laying now. Put her back in there where she was at. Put these back over here. We'll give them some pollen and give them some food. And like I said, this one will be about number 17. This is hive number 17 now. And I'm going to give them some food. Give them a little bit more pollen. Small hives like this, they don't have enough bees to go out and do all the grocery shopping and bringing in the water and garden the house and garden the bees. So they need some help. Y'all take care of yourself. Hope y'all enjoyed that. I got a little short that just come out too. I wasn't going to show it, but Bob came over here and He showed me how to do that. It was a little short about when I was down in the nursery yesterday and my stand fell over. Yeah. Yeah. Well, anyway, I'm going to give him some food and put a couple of beetle traps in there and leave it like that. Y'all take care of yourselves. Give us a thumbs up, comment, share. Don't forget that button that goes up that says like. And y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see you later. Bye.